Hey up YouTubers, Simon B here again. How y'all keeping out there? Well, not long now is it? Recording this Sunday the 21st. Another week until the 29th, until hopefully we'll have some information of whether we can go on our motorbikes. So, we're in the garage again. What we're doing? Well, I have a little bit of collection of motorbikes. I've had a motorbike sat undercover for about 12 months. I thought I'd get it out. The next question would be, what is that motorbike? Well, that motorbike is an RD350 LC. So, if you fancy seeing a 350 LC in bits go back together, a bit of history about the 350 LC, and see it running, stick around, stay tuned. So here she is in all the glory. Well, not really all the glory. Tank's missing and seat's not on at the moment. So what we've done, we've got her out of cover. She's been sat in the corner since last year. I've had it now, it's a 1982. It's actually a German import, but it's got full matching numbers, completely original, standard, everything's on it is original. Since I've had her, I've had new air filter. The clutch was slipping, so I changed the clutch, sorted all that out. Currently at the moment she's not ran since last year, so what I thought I'd do, 2 new plugs. I've drained all the fuel out of the tank, because that's why that's off. Nothing wrong with the fuel, no bits in it, so the tank's good inside. Just giving it a bit of white round with a bit of ACF 50. She had a clean last time she was put away. And so we're going to put the tank back on, put everything back together, put some new fuel in it and get it running. So I'm just taking the screw tops off the spark plugs, because the spark plug caps don't fit it. The top some. So yes, I had a new set of plugs, 0.7, between 0.7 and 0.8 gap for the new plugs. Nothing wrong with the old ones, but I thought, hey, why not? A couple of quid. So on a 2-stroke, there's not really much to go wrong on them really. So we're not changing any gearbox oil. There's no point, because it was done a couple of years ago and she hasn't been anywhere, so there's no point in that. So the lubrication for the engine, it gets that through the 2-stroke, so there's no point in changing the oil in the engine because it doesn't have any. I also charged the battery up. I don't know if it's going to hold charge, so we'll stick that back in. Doesn't roll. Rubber stand doesn't really roll very well on this carpet, but I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting for Duramat to get the rubber matting in stock, but they keep running out. I should order some really. I'm going to hopefully mat the garage out in that rubber matting, which will be so much better. So I've been round there and sprayed a bit of ACF 50 about with a bar brush and get it in the places where you don't usually get to. Try and stop corrosion and make it look a little bit better really. So we'll put this battery in. I don't really know if the battery is going to be any good. I tried to repair it last night. It's showing 12.8 volts at the moment. I don't know how long it's been in. Shouldn't really need a battery, but we'll start with a flat battery, unlike bikes of today. Stick a bit of multi-purpose grease on that nut on the connection. Stop it furring up. It's just a bit awkward with the arbor stand here, but anyway, we'll get over that. Stick the tank back on. Side panel on, put some fuel in it, take it outside, see if she'll start. Awesome. What I'm going to do, since I've got this stuff, I'm going to stick a bit of red rubber grease in these rubbers. I don't want the side panels breaking because these are a little bit dry. And that's what it's for. Seat to go on. Not a bad looking bike, is she, for a 38-year-old? So, it's got some fuel in her. Get her outside, and she usually does start up after a couple of kicks. Fingers crossed. Here we go again. So, since I pulled that bike out, up till now, it's been round about nearly an hour. Weird, get your camera out, people turn up. So anyway, I've cheated. I thought to myself, I'm not going to go live on camera and try and start that bike up and it not start. And I wish that I'd have waited, because all I did, I put a little bit of fuel back in it, the choke goes on, we switched it on, and I kicked it 3 times and it started. So hopefully now it'll start first kick. Ooh. Look at that. They don't make them like they used to, do they? Yeah, hopefully you get your camera out and people just turn up. I don't know why. When I brought it out of the garage, there was nobody on the street. So I came out to film this, to start it, put the fuel in, and they just turn up. So yeah, she's had a set of new plugs, new fuel, she's running okay. As you can probably see, that centre stand's a bit worn, could do with sorting out, with the back wheel sat on the ground, which I don't really like, but I'm going to sort that out soon. But listen to that. I'll leave this microphone just here and I'll rev this bike for you. So there you go, YouTubers, what do you think about that? If you thought that was okay, which I think some of you might do, just give it a big thumbs up. Another bike out the garage, one of many. I think we've done what, 3 now? 4, 5 with the CCM. Got another 1, haven't we? Yeah, Honda C50, probably seen in the background there. So again, thanks very much for watching. Thanks to all you subscribers, we're getting there at the moment. Don't forget to like, tag, share and follow. Soon we will be riding bikes. Awesome. Now today with the sunshine, I have an urgent thing to do. I've got some checks to put into the bank because I'm self-employed, and I think I'm going to go on that thing, which is allowable. Not going anywhere else. All I'm going to do is local, put some checks in, and I'm going to take you guys and girls along with, because I'm just going to do a little bit of a detour, just a small one, and show you some history in the area. So, as they say, keep safe, be safe, don't get COVID, and we'll see you soon.